Today, I'll show you how to reinvest dividends on Trading 212. Reinvesting dividends can be a powerful strategy to grow your investments over time, allowing your returns to compound as your portfolio value increases. Let's dive into this simple process and get you started on maximizing your investment returns. First, you'll want to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Navigate to your Pi settings, which is where you'll manage your investment preferences. Now, if you're new to Trading 212, you might wonder what a Pi is. A Pi is essentially a way to organize and manage your investments in a user-friendly format. It allows you to allocate your investments into different stocks or ETFs, much like slices of a pie. Once you're in the Pi settings, look for the Auto Reinvest option. This setting is crucial for reinvesting dividends. Enabling this feature ensures that any dividends you receive from your investments are automatically reinvested back into your Pi. This means you won't have to manually reinvest each dividend payment, saving you time and helping your investments grow seamlessly. If you find that the Auto Reinvest option is turned off, your future dividends will instead be added to your account's free funds. While this gives you the flexibility to use those funds as you wish, it might not be the best strategy if you're looking to harness the power of compounding. By keeping the Auto Reinvest feature on, you ensure that your dividends continuously contribute to the growth of your portfolio. And there you have it. That's how you reinvest dividends on Trading 212. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a significant difference in the long-term growth of your investments. Remember, reinvesting dividends is a smart way to take advantage of compound growth, allowing your portfolio to potentially expand at a faster rate. If you're new to this, take a moment to review your settings and ensure everything is set up to match your investment goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these tools can help you make the most of your financial journey. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more videos on investment strategies and financial tips. Until next time, happy investing.